Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen dish drying rack finds this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video.
This over-the-sink dish. Drying rack crafted from durable metal presents a practical and space-saving solution for kitchen organization. With product dimensions of 12.4 dec into 26.8 W into 20.5 H, this black rack by SNTD offers optimum storage capacity without occupying additional counter space. The recommended uses for this versatile product include kitchen organization, acting as a sponge holder, and storage for various items. A notable feature of this dish drying rack is its ability to be mounted on the countertop, making installation a breeze. The rack also boasts an impressive weight limit of 36.29 kilograms, ensuring it can accommodate a substantial amount of kitchenware and utensils. Its expandable and adjustable design further enhances its functionality, allowing for customization based on individual needs. Manufactured by SNTD, a trusted brand in kitchen accessories, this dish drying rack guarantees reliability and durability.
The Kitsure Large Dish Drying Rack is a top-tier product that seamlessly combines functionality and durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this dish rack is built to last in any kitchen environment. With product dimensions of 26.7 inches in length, 12.9 inches in width, and 5.9 inches in height, it provides ample space for drying various kitchen items. This dish drying rack, designed by Kitsure, comes in a sleek black color that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Its versatility shines through with mounting options for both sink and tabletop use, catering to different kitchen setups. Weighing 5.1 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and portability. One of the standout features of this product is its expandable design, allowing you to customize its size based on your drying needs. The premium quality of the materials used ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable companion in your daily kitchen tasks.
The KitchenAid Large Capacity Full-Size Rust-Resistant Dish Rack is a versatile and sturdy addition to any kitchen. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this dish rack combines durability with a sleek design that will complement any kitchen decor. Measuring at 14.96 inches in depth, 20 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, this dish rack offers ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchen items. The adjustable feature allows you to customize the rack to suit your needs, making it a practical and user-friendly choice. The gray color of the dish rack adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while the mounting options of sink or tabletop provide flexibility in how you set up your drying station. With a weight limit of 25 pounds and a weight of 3 kilograms, this dish rack can easily accommodate your daily kitchen needs. As a product from the renowned brand KitchenAid, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this dish rack. Whether you have a small apartment kitchen,
this stainless steel over-the-sink dish. Drying Rack by ADBIU is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. With its dimensions of 12 inches diameter into 35 inches, width into 21 inches height, it provides ample space for drying dishes, storing kitchen items, and keeping your countertop clutter-free. The black color adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the sturdy stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity. The countertop mount design makes it easy to install and use without the need for any complex assembly. One of the key features of this dish drying rack is its 100-pound weight limit, allowing you to stack multiple dishes and kitchenware with ease. The rack is designed with slip-resistant feet to keep it stable on your countertop, providing safety while handling dishes. The automatic drainage feature allows water to flow directly into the sink, keeping your dishes dry and preventing water buildup. Moreover, the expandable dimensions and removable cutlery.
The Joseph Extendable Dish Drying rack is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, offering both functionality and style. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic, this dish rack is built to last. The product dimensions of 12.25 inches in diameter, 14 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height provide ample space for drying various dishware efficiently. Designed by the reputable brand Joseph, known for their innovative and practical kitchen solutions, This dish drying rack is available in an elegant gray color that complements any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this product is its adjustability.